Hello everyone! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung mode of payment here in 51 Talk. Kasi marami talaga yung nagtatanong kung pwede ba GCash at ibang mga bank accounts. So ang pinaka-most advice talaga ng 51 Talk for the mode of payment kung saan papasok yung ating salary is the BPI. Yung ibang mga applicants, according daw sa kanilang orientation, I don't know asan ba yun na orientation, sa NTT at sa onboarding, pwede na po daw yung GCash. Hindi ko talaga yan masagot ng straight to the point kasi during my NTT and onboarding last February of 2025, BPI lang yung na-mention. Even in my 2020 na pag-apply, yung first time ko talagang nakapasok sa 51 Talk kasi returning teacher ako this year, BPI na talaga yung mode of payment. So, para iwas kayo sa mga delays of your salary, mas mabuti po talaga nasa BPI. Pero if you wanna share something about your mode of payment, na okay ang GCash, we want your testimony, you can message down below para naman malaman ng baguhan po dito sa 51 Talk. But for me, ang masasagot ko talaga is BPI talaga yung best na mode of payment. So, last time, way back 2020, talagang hinanapan ko talaga ng budget kasi mayroon kasi siyang initial deposit of 3,000. Kahit na walang-wala talaga ako nun, hinanapan ko talaga siya ng paraan kasi I just want to follow what is being advised para hindi na rin ako magka-problema. That time, hindi na ako makaka-receive ng aking yung first cut-off ko na salary kasi late akong nag-open ng aking bank account. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi mapapasok naman yung sweldo nyo sa previous cut-off kung late kayong nag-open ng inyong bank account sa BPI. Basta, kung hindi naman pumasok agad, you can email naman feesupport@51talk.com. Kaya nga lang, you have to be patient. Yung mga nagtatanong pa paano magkaroon ng endorsement letter, ipa-flash ko dito sa screen saan kayo pwedeng mag-email. To assist you faster, kindly use the following format when sending email. Teacher's name, concern. Of course, you have to cite your concern there. So, yung sa video ko kasi sa YouTube, wala na po yung support ticket. Wala na po yun ngayon. So, mayroon na silang mga specific emails kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-email ng inyong mga concern. So, nandun rin yun sa ating important reminders. We really need to read announcements po talaga para at least well-informed tayo sa mga announcements related sa ating platform, sa ating trabaho as independent providers of 51 Talk. So, kung iwas stress, anong gagawin? Mag-open na lang kayo ng bank account sa BPI in advance. Or kailangan po talaga natin ng endorsement letter, then as soon as you are launched here in 51 Talk, email kayo agad sa fee support para mabigyan kayo kasi it takes time silang mag-reply. Mabigyan kayo ng endorsement letter. Ang kaibahan lang talaga is di kayo mag-i-initial deposit ng 3,000. So I guess 100 or 200 lang, pwede na kayong mag-open ng account. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Iwas stress, BPI. Mas mabuti kasi yung at once kayong mag-upload doon sa ating account setting. Yes, dapat hindi po tayong magkamali sa ating account number na ipopost doon sa ating account settings. I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much. And if you have some questions, you may drop in down below so that I could answer your queries in the best time I have for replying your queries. Thank you so much. Have a great teaching journey here in 51 Talk. Bye-bye.